For aircraft, no pilots, no runways, and no science fiction. These autonomous passenger drones are already proving that the next era of transportation could happen above the streets instead of on them. From silent electric air taxis to AI-powered flying vehicles, today we're exploring 4 groundbreaking eVTOL aircraft reshaping urban mobility faster than most people realize. Stay with us until the end to see which one could redefine the future of city travel. What if your next taxi ride didn't use roads at all, but instead flew above the city completely on its own? Meet the Airbus Vahana, one of the world's first autonomous passenger eVTOL aircraft. Developed by Airbus A3 in Silicon Valley, the Vahana was designed with a tandem tilt-wing configuration, allowing it to take off like a helicopter and cruise like an airplane as a self-piloted electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The aircraft features a propulsion system with 8 electric propellers for autonomous urban air mobility and can carry 1 passenger, with a payload capacity of around 90 to 200 kilograms, depending on the configuration. The Vahana has a maximum cruising speed of about 100 knots, which is approximately 185 kilometers per hour, a maximum takeoff weight of around 815 kilograms, and a 38 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, giving it a flight range of roughly 80 to 100 kilometers. Powered entirely by electricity, the Vahana completed autonomous test flights, demonstrating stable vertical takeoff, transition flight, and autonomous landing capabilities. The aircraft is not commercially available yet, and its price remains undisclosed. What if your next journey could lift straight into the sky, glide above traffic, and cross the city almost silently? Meet the Prosperity eVTOL from AutoFlight, a next-generation passenger drone designed to transform urban air mobility. This fully electric, autonomous-capable eVTOL uses a lift-and-cruise design with 13 propellers powered by a 160 kilowatt-hour battery system. With a maximum takeoff weight of 2,400 kilograms, it can carry 5 passengers plus 1 optional pilot, with a payload capacity of around 350 to 400 kilograms. Prosperity cruises at over 200 kilometers per hour and delivers a flight range of more than 200 kilometers on a single charge. One of its most impressive features is noise reduction. During hover, it produces only around 65 decibels, far quieter than a helicopter. The aircraft also includes redundant flight systems, fly-by-wire controls, and zero-emission operation. Estimated price? Around $1.5 million. What if the future of transportation looked less like a car and more like a flying drone you can actually ride? Meet the XPeng X2, a futuristic 2-seat electric aircraft designed for autonomous urban air mobility. Developed by XPeng AeroHT, the X2 is a fully electric eVTOL aircraft, meaning electric vertical takeoff and landing. With its lightweight carbon fiber structure and futuristic enclosed cockpit, the aircraft is built for short-distance low-altitude travel above busy cities. The XPeng X2 uses 8 electric motors with 8 independent propellers and can carry 2 passengers, with a maximum payload capacity of around 200 kilograms. The aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 560 kilograms, a top speed of about 130 kilometers per hour, and a flight range of around 35 kilometers. Powered entirely by battery electric propulsion, the X2 also supports autonomous flight capabilities and intelligent route planning systems. The estimated price is expected to range between $150,000 and $250,000 US. Our next item is EHang 216, developed by EHang. The aircraft is part of a new generation of urban air mobility vehicles aimed at transporting passengers above crowded city streets. And what makes it special is that it is passenger drones designed to carry people without a pilot on board. Unlike traditional air taxis, the EHang 216 is fully autonomous. Passengers simply select their destination, and the aircraft completes the flight automatically using onboard computers and ground-based monitoring systems. The aircraft uses 8 arms with 16 electric propellers, forming a multi-copter configuration similar to a large drone. This design provides stability and redundancy, meaning the aircraft can continue flying safely even if one motor stops working. The EHang 216 is designed to carry 2 passengers with a maximum payload of around 220 kilograms. It can reach a top speed of about 130 kilometers per hour and travel roughly 35 kilometers on a single charge. Powered by a 17 kilowatt-hour battery, the aircraft can stay airborne for about 21 minutes per charge, and a full recharge typically takes around 2 hours. Because the aircraft performs vertical takeoff and landing, it only requires a small landing pad, meaning future operations could take place on rooftops, vertiports, or designated urban landing areas. Overall, the EHang 216 represents a new category of aviation known as autonomous aerial vehicles, designed to transform short-distance urban transportation. The estimated price of the EHang 216 is about $410,000, depending on configuration. Which flying machine would you trust for your first aerial commute? Share your pick in the comments below. Subscribe to DigiBot for more next-generation technology showcases, and stay tuned. Another futuristic innovation is landing soon. Thanks for watching.